Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my Valentine's Day special. We're going to go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial part. I'm just moisturizing my face and then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow primer and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Today I'm using the Morphe Hey Girl Hey palette. Look at it. It's so beautiful. All of the colors are so pigmented and I'm so excited to use it on this tutorial today. So first for my transition color, I'm going to go in with the color Ella and I'm going to basically use this as my stopping point on where I want my shadow to stop. I don't want it to go up too close to my brow. And I'm going to blend it out, and I'm blending it out with the color Summer from my Morphe palette. And this is just going to blend the two colors together. I want a soft pink to make my pop of pink really pop on top of this pink. So I'm applying Summer all over my lid and into my crease. Now on the center of my eyelid, I'm going to use the color Gino as a base, and I'm going to pop the color Bella on top of this one. I want this to be like a kind of halo effect. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe off all of the residue and fallout of my face or from my eyeshadow and go back in with my primer this time. Now I'm using my Becca Cosmetics foundation. This is the Shine Proof foundation in the color Tobacco. This is literally my perfect shade, and this foundation is really matte and I love it. It doesn't give me any problems with creasing or none of that, and it's super full coverage, as you can see. I didn't have to apply too much, and I'm just going to work with what I got and spread all over my face. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Cool Tan. And I'm going to focus this on the center of my face. You ladies know how that goes. If you don't know my updated highlight and contour routine, go ahead and click on the card that is showing and it will take you straight to my highlight and contour routine. But I will watch it after the video. So make sure you check out my other videos to see my updated highlight and contour routine. I'm using my Real Techniques body sponge and it is damp, and I'm going to go in and blend out that concealer. And right after I blend it, I'm going to set it with my Airspun powder in the color Translucent. Now I'm just lightly setting the rest of my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder so that all the rest of my face can stay, you know, matte. And I'm bronzing my skin with the MAC Skin Finish bronzer in the color Dark. And this really helps with flashback. I'm toning all of that powder, the white powder and translucent powder, down with a bronzer. And this really helps my makeup look today come out really good. Now I'm contouring with my contour powder. I believe this is my Hard Candy powder. No, this is my Santee contour powder. And this powder is super dark, so you have to be really careful with how you use it. But as long as you use your transition, then you can build the contour, which you're going to see me do. I'm going to really build it to look exactly how I want it to. You know, I need those cheekbones to be popping for Valentine's Day. Now my bottom lash line, I'm going back in with the color Summer, which I used on my lid, and I'm going to pop this on my lash line because I want this look to be really dramatic and smoky and just altogether beautiful. And by the way, my brushes I'm using the Beauty Creations brushes and my NYX brushes, my e.l.f. brushes, and my Morphe brushes. Yeah, that helps, right? Now I'm drenching my face in my Hard Candy Matte Sheer Envy Spray, and this is going to lock everything in, make everything look really fresh and dewy. And I'm going to coat my lashes today with my e.l.f. mascara. I'm going to coat my top and my bottom lashes with this mascara. And I'm going to apply my lashes that I've had for a really long time. They're super worn out, but I don't remember the names of them. It's 2 lashes that I put together and just made this really big, fluffy, pretty, wispy lash. And now I'm going to use my Studio Blush palette. I've had this palette for a while. Thank you to Nina Ray. It's a Profusion blush palette, and it has 6 different shades. All 6 of them are super beautiful, and they're really pigmented, and I love them so much. And I'm going to use my ColourPop Lippy Sticks on the lips today. This is in the color Beautycon. It's a really creamy lipstick, and I just love this lipstick, you guys. It is everything. And I'm taking my hair clips out because my hair looks like, I don't know, it looks crazy. I'm going to comb it out a little. And that is it, you guys. I am done. 2-part special is finished. Yes, big. Give me that shoulder. Give them those lips. Give them those eyes. And you will have a great Valentine's Day. Do you understand? Yes, bitch. Thank you for coming to watch, guys. You guys are so awesome. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.